Hey guys, check this out, man. So I got home a minute ago with my meds, and I was thinking about things on the way home. I was thinking about junk. Look at this junk in this corner of my garage, man. You know, couple old unused pieces of PVC, right? Let's grab those. I suppose I should put them away up in the loft of my barn. I can't do that. Those are future antenna parts. Yeah, boy, who knows what I could make out of those. Hang on, man. Check it out. Now I know the colors are funky. What's going on, you little weirdo? Might not have to ride it out this winter. Come on, guys. They're calling for snow tomorrow. Thank frickin' God. Hang on, man. When I say that I was a strange child and I've been wanting a garden tractor with a snowplow blade since I was 15, you think I'm bullshitting? Wasn't bullshitting you, man. Hang on. Sorry for the detour, guys. Now, I had some leftover dry beans and several slices of bread, and why throw them away? Come on, phone. Oh, come on, man. When we can give them to our creature friends. Now, I'm excited by junk. You think not? Look at this collection of garbage. Is this phone still zoomed in? Please, come on, man. Oh, come on, man. Look at that collection of garbage. My sister gave me the 4x4 post. The plastic is just recycled. And, right? Pieces of wire here and there. It is zoomed in. Hang on. Right. Utter garbage. And, you know, it is what it is, man. I had a lot of fun doing that. I started this YouTube channel because I destroyed my leg falling out of... Here, let's go look. Let's go for... Am I getting clicky? I was clicky in my last video. Fell out of there, landed there, but it was pouring rain, breaking my fibula, my tibula, and ripping the tendons away from my ankle joint. And, oh boy. So I started making YouTube videos for relief from the pain, guys. Because of my cardiac situation, I was not allowed narcotics pain relief. Which is fine. So I built the Garbage Cacti. And it is what it is. You know what I mean? Now, what it is humbling. Because I get afraid of my channel when I'm struggling. And I don't keep up with the comments. Because I'm afraid. It's a mental illness, right? And potash added to the soil with my glorious fire. And I looked at the comments for the most recent video, and I was shocked to see that somebody that coded POTA.us witnessed my garbage. A little scary, given that I only created this channel, if you will. If you will be willing to be kind and call it a channel. I liken it to a steaming pile of stench in the middle of 8 Mile Road, North Detroit, on a 107-degree summer day. You can see fumes and vapors rising from my channel. And I saw this guy's comment. And he said to the most recent video prior to this one, and he said, I built his cacti, or I built this guy's cacti. I forget how he worded it, and ... And when I saw that, God, that made an impact on me. I can't tell you the things that made me feel inside, man. Good, beyond good. A little scared. You start doing a channel like this for whatever reason you have. In mine, it was a distraction and relief. And then what happens? You're really angry about some aspects of POTA.us, and you express your feelings, and then the person that coded the site comments to you. And my response to that is, great. He gets to put his finger on the pulse of real America, ham radio then, huh? What it did was it made me rewatch my videos several times to see if there was anything that I would take back or say differently, or, and the answer is no. I said exactly how I felt, and I feel exactly what I said. So, right? But be forewarned, you may be humbled by those who view your content. Or in my case, garbage. You know what I see? When I see junk, I see possibility. I see possibility. If I didn't, hang on, let me show you something embarrassing. Sorry, Lucy, my 6-meter Yagi. You will come into existence this winter. It's just that life and my brain intervened. Hang on. And look at this. Look at this. Homebrew porn. Look at this. What? I haven't touched this in a year. Why? Why? Check it out, man. Hang on. Let's get some light in here. Look at this. I'm going to close my door, because this is embarrassing. Here, man. Let me get some light on the subject. Look at this shit. I'm a 61-year-old grown man. You want look how I live, man. Right? Look at this. What do you see? Here, man. Let's spread some of this crap out. You want to see how I live? Look at this shit. Come on. Oh well, I'm not gonna fight you. You gonna throw that magnet wire away? What about this piece? I wish it would, hang on. What about that piece? You gonna throw that away? You know? What do I see? Oh, I see possibility like you can't believe. That pile of garbage gives me more joy than you can possibly believe, man. And I've got a little bit of an update coming on what? Center stage That gear caused me abject misery with those rollers. I was going to show what I found, but I don't know. And since you guys, if you're still here with me, speaking of the tube checker, not a tester, it's a tube checker. Just ask Heathkit. Heathkit, we've got a problem. There's, speaking of that TC2 tube checker, almost underwhelming response. Well, it was. The underwhelmingness of the response was overwhelming. And it is what it is. I'm an older guy that's into restoring vintage tube type gear and equipment and radios, things that use vacuum bulbs. Right, Mark? Oh, man, you didn't deserve that, Mark. G6 Golf Victor Yankee, I believe. GVY? Yeah, I think that's your call, Mark. I'm not going to get into it with the Heathkit restoration. I will be restoring them and selling them off, but I'm not going to show what I've done electronically to them because it's just pointless. There's not too much interest. I'm thinking of popping the cabinet, though, and giving everybody a visual look-see. Hey, man, you want to see what an HW16 looks like inside? Type of thing. Let's look underneath. And I'll point out a few things that catch my eye, but other than that, no component testing or any of that, because it's all been done before by those that know how to record it and share it. So, and it's just a thought to crack the cases and let you look see inside. You know what I mean? Give a quick, hey guys, look how they used to do it 50 years ago type of thing, yeah, yeah, I might do that. I'll never clean up my mess. And my workbench, well, that's its normal state. We're good. Just a lot of channel babble. I'll be taking a break for a while. And I wanted to thank you for staying with me through the tough times here, man. It'll take me a few weeks to get back to where I'm starting to level out again. And thank you. From our good friend, L. From the bench of Blowzo, be well, take care of yourself, your family, your friends if they need it, and above all else, God's creatures in this world. They need love too. 73.